Hello guys. Well, I have an old camera, but that's okay if it's old. Doesn't mean it's bad or not good for everyone. Also, but look at this. I have a tornado siren here that is most likely be big than a homemade ACP-50. Yeah, no. But there's no chopper underneath it. There's this chopper. Usually, these wires are from the plug. There. It's only available at 220 volts, which is gonna be sounding. The wires go into this motor, and then this is the chopper. Well, I have its own thing. You see, there are two gears inside. Wait, guys. Wait, guys. You see, there's two gears. This is a gear that's glued completely here. And there's another gear that fits smally like a chopper. This is the rotor, and this is the chopper inside it. A small chopper. So it just doesn't look like chopper, because look at this. When I do this, it sounds completely like a chopper popping. So this is a small strong motor. When the gear spins inside it, it creates this sound. And it will sound like that. So yeah, we're gonna plug it in and see what will happen. So guys, I have this now. I'm gonna test it. 3, 2, 1. You can see it's shaking, but it's really working. I believe it. You can see the sound is coming from here because the popping sound is the gear going through here. The sound, yeah. So let's try it. Well, the motor is not strong enough, but I don't know why it goes slow down. When I tested it sounded like that. So, but I think the motor is gonna burn. Let's try it again. Here it is.